sometimes. I saw something.
Nakikita mo pa rin ba yung mga nakita mo last night?
I saw a city. I was the only one who noticed it.
Kaya pala mag-isa kang sumali sa tour niyo, ha?
Girl, stop overthinking.
My sister.
Hello? Okay, let's try again. I see things sometimes. I saw something. I saw a new city out there. Ang ganda. Napakaganda. And what do you do when you see them? I don't look. Pakiramdam ko may mali. I don't understand myself. Kung maintindihan mo. Okay, can you tell me more about what's happening to your life lately? Well, I've been having a hard time lately. Lalo na kapag nag-isa ko. Sometimes, my thoughts get so clear. Pakiramdam ko totoo sila kahit hindi. But, I promise. I try not to dwell on them and just going on with my day. Pakiramdam ko, kailangan ko lang maintindihan kung normal ba sila. I can't really understand. Hindi maintindihan. Hindi ko maintindihan mo. Okay, Saya. Based on what you've said, nakikitaan kita ng stress. Sometimes, when our body is tense, our thoughts can be clearer than they really are. Minsan, try mo din bigyan ng sarili mo ng time to rest. Doing something that makes you happy or that will make you relax. We'll take this one step at a time. Well, that makes sense. Siguro kailangan ko lang ng pahinga. Thank you, Doc. Please, excuse me, I have to take this.
Nak! Kain na!
Again.
Morning, Nak! Morning, Nak! Gusto tulog mo?
Okay, I guess.
Nakikita mo pa rin ba yung mga nakita mo last night on your way home?
Hindi mo wala sa isip ko eh.
Are you sure it wasn't just the dark? You were tired.
Yeah. Siguro.
Huwag mo na munang isipin, okay? Just get through the day first. Tara, kain tayo.
In today's special report, we turn our attention to Sunshine City, where Governor Flo Supreme continues to draw both praise and curiosity for her leadership.
These projects will take hard work, but I believe we can do it. We will not stop until every part of our city shines. I promise I will do my best for Sunshine City. Thank you, Sunshines.
And with that, Governor Flor promises to lead Sunshine City to a better future. This is Victoria Cruz.
Please excuse me, I have to take this. Hello?
Andyan ba siya? Marami ba siyang tinatanong?
No, mukhang susundin naman niya yung mga sinabi ko.
Okay. Good. Sige. My sister.
Sorry, just work. You can go home now, Sayin. At tandaan mo lang yung mga pinag-usapan natin, no? Give yourself time to relax. At gawin mo yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo.
Alright, everyone listen up. May I have your attention, please? I am Dian, your all-knowing tour guide for today's tour. But before on we get into our destination for today, I would like you to remind some few do's and don'ts that you need to remember. First one is no littering. Huwag na tayong magtatapon ng basura kung saan-saan dito sa tour na to. Second one is always stay on trail. And most importantly, huwag tayong kukuha ng kahit anong rock or bato dito sa nature na.
A lot of people think studying education is easy, but the truth is, it isn't. I was okay until the insults started, until the people I expected to support me were the ones who belittled me. Now I'm not even sure if I'm okay anymore. I needed to stop for a moment. I needed a break.
Okay, most importantly, we will leave this place na magkakaroon tayo ng appreciation sa ating kalikasan. Ano, hike? Tara?
Tara!
Let's go, let's go! Alright everyone, let's have a short water break, take pictures, selfie, or videos. And most especially, appreciate natin ang beauty ng nature. Pwede na tayo huminga. Ma'am, okay lang po ba kayo? Ha? For how many times I tell you, ma'am, na hindi dapat tayo kumuha ng kahit anong bato mula dito sa forest?
Okay lang po ako. Pwede bang i-keep ko na?
No, you can keep that. That's for the environment. Hindi mo siya pwede
Bato lang
kuhaan.
naman yun.
Kahit bato siya, hindi siya pwede kuhaan.
Okay.
That pressure is why I traveled alone. I needed space.
Travel? Nakatulong naman ba yun sa'yo?
Something happened while we were traveling. I saw a city. A beautiful one. And it was new.
But no one noticed it. I was the only one who see it. We are surrounded by tourists, but
But none of them noticed it at all.
ano sinabi nila sa'yo?
Tumawa sila. They laughed at me. They said that there was no such city there. And I checked the map and I saw nothing. But I know what I saw.
Maxine, extreme stress can affect perception. Minsan gumagawa yung utak natin ng mga bagay na feeling natin makatotohanan pero hindi naman talaga. That city wasn't real at all.
I wasn't imagining it. It was real.
Okay, take this aid. Tutulungan ka rin para bumaba ng stress mo.
Sorry.
Uy, Ruth, ano yan?
Wala. Kita ko lang to nung trip.
Ano na talaga pinagagawa mo sa buhay mo eh, no? Pating niya ako.
Wag! Ano bang ginagawa mo dito?
Tingnan ka.
Wag na! Ano ba?
Eh, masyado ka na nang matago eh, no? Sa kasarili mong kapatid.
Umalis ka na nga. Ano bang ginagawa mo dito? Hindi na pwede. Umalis ka na.
Gets ko na.
Alis
Kaya
na.
pala mag-isa kang sumali sa tour nyo, ha? Kasi may mga bagay-bagay kang iniintindi.
Alis naman ito. Umalis ka
Pwede
na.
na.
Alis na. Alis!
Wala ka sa buhay mo.
Ruth, ano yung bagay na nagpapunta sa'yo dito ngayon?
I overthink everything. I traveled alone to clear my mind.
Natulungan ka ba naman nun?
Noong una. But then I saw a city when I was there. Bago. Pero parang ako lang yung nakakakita.
You're just overwhelmed. Alam mo, gumagawa yung utak natin ng akala natin makatotohanan ng bagay. Pero hindi naman yung totoo. That city wasn't real.
So, hindi totoo yun?
No, it was your overthinking taking control again. Naapektuhan na nito yung relasyon mo sa pamilya mo.
I understand.
Try mo magdahan-dahan sa pag-iisip. Bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng time to relax. Okay?
Okay to. Thank you.
You said you weren't called Dr. Sifina.
Hindi nga. Kung hindi lang to importante.
What is it? You already told me about one. What is it?
Oo. Pero ngayon, tatlo na sila.
What do you mean the same?
The same city. Pare-parehas nilang nini-describe.
Structures, the layout, even the way it feels to stand there. Hindi nila kilala ang isa't isa.
Tsaka, kung ano yung nararamdaman ng isa, ganun din yung nararamdaman nila kapag nakikita nila yun.
Thea, I already informed you about her.
She wasn't supposed to remember.
Hindi nga. Not consciously. Pero meron. Meron siyang naaalala.
You didn't say anything?
Hindi. Sinunod ko yung sinabi mo.
That's good.
Maxine and Ruth. Dapat hindi na nila nakikita yun.
Yet they did.
Yes. I gave Maxine a medication.
Medication?
Oo. A control dose. Something that induces mild hallucination.
Why?
Because she was the hardest to convince.
Kailangan ko siya mapaniwala na hindi yun totoo.
And the other?
Si Ruth? Family pressure? Overthinking? Madali lang siya mapaniwala eh. Hindi to stress. It's coincidence.
No. Nakikita nila ang dapat hindi nila nakikita.
What about Seiya? Paano si Seiya?
Ipagpatuloy mong pag-obserba sa kanya. You say nothing.
Paano kapag naalala niya?
Then we failed. Antayin mo silang tatlo. At kung meron pa silang makikita bukod sa city,
I will call. How are you? Kamusta consultation?
This was it. It was you.
Okay ka lang? Tulala ko na naman.
What's that? Tingnan niyo na lang.
Wow, that looks insane.
Mukha siyang AI. Guys, it's not AI. I really took this. Girl, you're faking us. It's AI eh. Girl, stop overthinking. Wala namang AI eh. Right? Guys, I'm serious. It's not AI. Sabi mo sa amin kagabi sa GC, wala kang tulog, diba? So, pag stress yung tao, parang kung ano-ano na naman dito sa phone. Guys, it's real. It's not in my head. Then, what is this?
Alam mo ba kung anong ginawa mo, Seiya? Alam mo ba kung anong naging resulta ng desisyong ginawa mo? Dahil sa'yo, dahil sa ginawa mo, hindi mo na magawang makita. Ni kahit paniwalaan, hindi mo na magawa.
Di pa ako handa. Di ko kaya maging responsable sa bagay na hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi ka pa handa. Kaya anong ginawa mo? Tinalikuran mo ang responsibilidad mo. Mas importante kasi sa'yo ang sarili mong buhay.
Patawad kung pinili ko yung sarili ko. Kung pinili ko yung buhay ko. Hindi ko kaya manatili dito, Flor.
Sige, umalis ka. Si Seiya. Si Seiya na naman. Si Seiya na lang palagi. Simula bata pa lang kami. Ramdam ko na mas mahal na si Seiya. She was always the one they cared about the most. Anak din naman nila ako. So why does it feel like we were never treated equally? Why can't they love us the same way? Palaging si Seiya yung tama. Si Seiya yung responsable. Pagod. Napagod na akong maging anino ng isang responsableng prinsesa na mahal ng mahal. Habang palaging panglang, palaging hindi sapat. She gets all the love, all the trust, and the praise. Habang ako, naiwan lang sa gilid, pretending that I'm king.
Nawawala ang inang bato!
Hala! Ang kailangan niya gagawin natin!
Hanapin niyo!
Pero siya rin yung naging dahilan kung bakit nawala sa kaharian. Ang inang bato, she took it away from the kingdom. And because of what she did, dalawang magtalang nakakita sa mundong dapat hindi nila nakikita. Sa mundong dapat nakatago sa mga taning mga tao. They saw something they were never supposed to see. All because of the favored child. At ngayon, unti-unti na masisira ang kaharian dahil sa kanya. Dahil sa ginawa niya, she ruined my life. And now, she has to face the consequences of everything she's done. Sisiguraduhin ko mararamdaman niya ang sakit pagkamahal na matagal ko na kinigigil. Sa lugar kung saan siya naroon, sa lugar kung saan siya pinakang masaya. Doon ko sisimulang masahan ng mundong buong niya. At kahit ano pang mangyari, kailangan kong maibalik ang inang bato sa kaharian. Kailangan kong maibalik bago pa tuluyang mawala ang lahat.
Narcea!
Akala ko ba hindi ka na nagpapagod?
Alam ko.
Kung ganun, bakit nakakakita ka pa rin?
Bakit nakikita mo pa rin? Dahil totoo siya sa akin. Kahit ayoko na dito.
Hindi ka naman talaga dapat umalis eh. Habang nananatili ka dito, mas lalo kang mahihirapang umalis.
Hey! Ano ba?
Huwag kang makialam dito, Magpal. Halika sa yan.
Tumigil ka na. Ah!
Okay na.
Di mo maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan ng halik ng kamalasan. Kinapang mong marahan ng hagdanan para lamang makidlatan sa kahitaas-taasan. Ngunit kaibigan, huwag kang magpapasindak. Kaibigan, easy lang sa iyan. Dahil wala ring mangyayari, tayo'y walang mapapala. Huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon para maging hari, may panahon para madapa. Dahil ang buhay natin ay sadyang ganyan. Umaaraw, umuulan. Umaaraw, umuulan. Ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Umaaraw.
Good evening. I am Antonio Natividad, and this is your provincial update. It has been exactly 1 year since Governor Flor vanished without a trace, a disappearance that continues to baffle investigators and haunt the province to this day. The governor's office has remained vacant in the months since, leaving deputy officials to manage provincial affairs in an uneasy silence. But tonight, that chapter may finally be closing. In a landslide that few predicted, Donovan has clinched victory in last week's local elections, securing the governorship with over 60% of the vote. Proceedings are already underway, with Donovan expected to formally assume office within the coming days. In other news, infrastructure works along the Northern Highway remain suspended following last month's flooding. The Provincial Health Office has also issued